Station!
Hey guys, Mike here with Suitables with the instructional build video for the Retro Rocket series. Here's what it looks like complete. And now, let's get building. Alright, so to begin building your rocket, whether it's the blue rocket or the purple rocket, they are the same in how they go together. Just go ahead and remove the kit pieces from the box and spread them out onto a flat surface like a table or the floor, or just any flat, clean surface. And we want to start by punching out the window pieces here, just like you see here. And we're going to go around and punch out all of the little cardboard chads. And you can do that by using the smaller window piece, and that'll kind of help you with as a punch tool to punch out all the little slot scraps that you see here. So just go ahead and go around all the kit pieces and punch out all those scraps. And then we're going to be ready to get started here. So go ahead and pre-fold on the main body structure of the rocket like you see here. Fold all the flaps, and we're going to pre-fold all the body panels. So go ahead and kind of brace down, especially by those windows. You want to be kind of gentle around the window areas. Notice how I'm bracing down there on the panel. And just pre-fold all the body panels, all the tabs and the flaps. Move on to the nose cone. You're going to do the same thing here. Just pre-fold on all the little triangular wedge pieces there. And that's going to complete pre-assembly, and now we can go on to assembly. So to begin assembly, step one, we're going to go ahead and install the hook Velcro strips. And you're going to want to put them just above the slots there next to the window pieces and stack two of them, one on top of the other. Now you can also use the waxy side of the paper backing to press them down and kind of slide it around on the Velcro to press it down. That's going to save your hands from getting roughed up from the Velcro, and they slide really nice, those little pieces of paper. So nice little trick there to help you install the Velcro and press it down really well all around. Really apply some good pressure there. You really want those to stick on well. All right, now we're going to go on to step two, which is installing the sound module. Flip it to the on position, test it, make sure it works properly, then grab enclosure piece number two. We're going to pre-fold on all the scores, back fold on the outer flaps there, as you see. Remove the twin stick pad backing. We're going to grab the sound module, and we're going to align the on-off switch to the little slot that's on the back there for it. And then just center the sound module over that cardboard piece there, that main base piece. Clamp it down, and then press the sides and the back up. Back fold those flaps. We're going to align the button to the buttonhole and the speaker to the speaker hole. Release the flaps and secure the twin sticks to the body. All right, now we're going to go ahead and move on to step three to connect the main body structure to itself. So insert tab 3A into its slot, 3B, 3C, 3D, and 3E. Now just get them all started, and then you can get them kind of pushed into place. Once you get it far enough, you can kind of stand up the body structure and form a little corner edge there to help you snap those in the rest of the way, to lock them in place. Now we're going to move on to step four with the nose cone. Insert tab 4A into slot 4A, get it started, and then move on to 4B and just work them into place until they're both locked in. And then we can move on to step five, installing the nose cone on the top of the body structure, starting with tab 5A. We'll move on to 5B, 5C, 5D, and just kind of spin it around and just work them in little by little, one at a time. Be patient, take your time. Once all of them are in their slots, you can kind of spin it around and push them all down and lock them into place. Now we're going to move on to step six, which is the support ring down at the bottom there. Pre-fold all the flaps on this piece, the number 6 flaps. And then you're going to start to install this main body support ring by pushing it in. And just be patient, take your time, and just kind of work it in. You have to kind of lift up on the body structure and those around the flames there and really push it in. And you're going to want to push it in about a finger's width away from those slots on the inside. Placement isn't super critical. Just make sure that the ring is straight. It's not crooked inside. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift up the flaps, pull down the flaps, and then you're going to want to remove the twin stick pad backing on 4 of the flaps. Every other flap has a twin stick pad on it. The rest of the flaps have spring tension that will hold them in place. And go ahead and secure the 4 twin stick flaps down, and you're good to go there. Now we're going to remove all the twin stick pad covers around the slots for the fins. We're going to go on to step 7 here with the fin installation. So go ahead and pre-fold flaps 7A and 7B on the fins. All the fins are the same. It doesn't matter what order you install them in. And just go ahead and push those tabs into their slots and then fold them over and secure them firmly to the twin sticks on the inside. So we're going to install a second one here, and then you can repeat this process for the remaining 2 fins. So there it is, kind of going in, and all the flaps getting secured there. Now we're going to install the straps. Now you want to install the straps in a cross or X pattern. Notice the orientation where the sound module is here and the window holes. So you want to put it on the Velcro strips there, and you're going to cross it over to the other piece across the way. And we're going to do the same thing with the other strap. Make sure the straps are attached to the Velcro at the same spot, so the length is going to be the same. And the X is going to be worn on the child's back. Make sure that the open part is worn where their neck is. So that completes the rocket build. And there's what it looks like complete. We hope you enjoyed building it, and you'll have a lot of fun with it. It's got those really awesome retro rocket looks that we love. There's the purple one over there. Now, as a final step, those windows that you punched out earlier can become little alien puppets. If you want to attach like a popsicle stick or a little cardboard stick that you make and glue it to the back, you can kind of do some role playing there with the rocket, with the aliens and the windows and stuff like that, and have a lot of fun. So there's your rocket build video for Suitables. We hope you enjoyed it. Have fun, and until next time.